Hello everyone. We're out in the garage today, and today is a project. Basically, moving all of this outside, moving that over there to that side of the whatever the hell that thing's called, and then we are putting this together. It's mostly together now. If you look closely, you can see out none of the cables are attached. Like I said before, it was at the old house, and they tried to buy it. We took it over there, they didn't want it, so we had to come back and get it. So, yeah, it's going to be it's going to be a little difficult to do, but good thing is most of it's together already, so there's not a big bunch of heavy lifting to do. The only issue is I'm doing this by myself, so I just gotta make sure I take it slow. But you guys get to, this is probably gonna be my workout today, is moving out of this junk. But hope you have fun watching. Alright, I have finished putting this thing together. Oh boy. I didn't have instructions, so I put a lot of cables on backwards. Not like it's things we're supposed to go around and pull it that way, and I put it that way, so if you get like 3 steps ahead, go crap, you have to go back. Take the cable back out, but it's together now. Looks pretty good. Not going to use it today. That'll be probably tomorrow. But just the rest of the time, I'm going to have to try to keep this area clean so that we can move around. I can move around in here while I'm working out. Once all this is gone, that'd be a lot easier. I'd like to. Now that I've got this up, though, I'm kind of worried about how I'm going to hang these shelves that I have that hang from the ceiling. I may have put one in the back corner because I can't put one here. And I really don't know where I'm going to put the other one. Because there's a light here, a plug in here, a light there. I might be able to hang it enough above this where I can put it on top of this. But that'd be another day because right now I didn't even want to think about that. But this together, I can finally start working out. I have a little floor air conditioner. You can probably see it in the background of some of my videos I generally turn on after I get done running for a little while or on these hot days like today. But yeah, so hopefully workouts will be coming on soon. I just gotta figure out how to work the bikes back in here. Alright, we are back. We are done. I know it looks very cramped in here right now, but what I am doing is I'm going to put the shelf up in that corner. The one that's stacked, there's two of them right there. It's going to go in that corner, and from that, these three bikes are going to hang, because they hang 4 feet down, and you can put boxes and stuff in it. So the backs hang from that. Once those are hanging there, that open up this space here, all of this is going to the dump, or actually going to be disposed of properly. There's a lot of paint cans up there and stuff like that. Then there's a lot of stuff that needs to be shredded, and actually this is just a lot of our recycle from this past week. The fireworks, I have no idea what I'm going to do with those. And mother-in-law's taking this. This is a project that I'm restoring. But it's going to look pretty good when I'm actually done. It's just right now, I am really tired. I'm not going to do anything else. But yeah, like a lot of these boxes here, all the stuff that's on this shelf is going to go up there, and the stuff's in a lot better, some storage that will actually be for more frequent use to be on this shelf. But I'm going to go get some drink and take a shower, because I'm about dead right now.